State Farm Drive Safe and Save setup instructions. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up State Farm's Drive Safe and Save program step by step. First, log in to your State Farm account either through their website or mobile app. Once logged in, look for the Drive Safe and Save program section and click to enroll. You'll be asked to choose between using the Drive Safe and Save mobile app or a plug-in device for your car. If you pick the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play and log in with your State Farm credentials. If you select a plug-in device, State Farm will email it to you. When it arrives, simply plug it into your vehicle's OBD2 port, usually found under the dashboard. Once the app or device is active, it will start monitoring your driving habits like speed, braking, acceleration, and mileage. You can check your driving score anytime within the app and get tips on how to improve. The program tracks your data for a trial period, typically 3 months, before applying any discounts to your insurance premium based on your driving safety. Participation is voluntary and you can opt out whenever you want without penalty. Plus, enrolling won't raise your rates. And that's how you set up State Farm Drive Safe and Save.